talk about all sorts of weather things. I'm trying to get used to this humidity, and then it's better, but it's going to get worse.
Yeah, I know, it's hard. We're kind of just on a roller coaster of uncertainty. And today and tomorrow, it is going to still be warm, but less humid. Take advantage of it because it's going to get sticky again heading into the weekend. Right now, live shot over La Jolla. It is quiet, it is dark, it is early this morning. We aren't seeing any fog, in fact, across the county. If that changes, though, I will let you know. And we're starting off a little bit cooler. There's a few 70s out there, sure, Kearney Mesa, downtown, and Oceanside, but most of us in the mid to upper 60s, which is just about 2 to 3 degrees cooler than yesterday morning. And as soon as you walk out the door, hopefully you'll notice the difference. I sure did. It definitely is not as humid this morning. And that's because the monsoon is now farther away. So you can see this little clump of green. That's where the monsoon is. And this high pressure system with the circulation around it, which is what brings us the monsoon, is just far enough away that we're not going to be impacted by it today or tomorrow. Highs will be near to about 5 degrees above average, so it's still pretty warm. And we're also tracking Tropical Storm Eugene still. It is forecast to become a remnant low later today, so it is going to be weakening, but it is bringing big waves and strong rip currents again this afternoon to our local coastline. It will be sticky again by this weekend, and I can't rule out more monsoon storms, mainly near our mountains, but I am keeping a slight chance on Sunday just because it's going to be so humid out there. I can't rule out a few sprinkles, maybe a stray shower falling anywhere in the county. Pride Parade taking over Hillcrest and Balboa Park, the whole festival all weekend long. Temperatures about 78, 79 degrees. Inland neighborhoods were in the 80s and 90s through the extended. Again, very sticky this weekend. Sunday is looking like the most humid day with our best chance for pop-up showers or thunderstorms. Friday into early next week, we'll see a chance for showers and thunderstorms near our mountains. Saturday through Monday, that threat will also be in the deserts.